In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to register a Lycamobile SIM card in Portugal. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This is a process that you can easily do through the Lycamobile website. So all that you have to do is go over to lycamobile.pt. This will take you to the Portuguese website for Lycamobile. You can change the language over here at the top right corner of the screen if you want to see the website in English, but regardless of which option you pick for the language, the process is identical. I'm gonna film this in English just to make it easier for the general audience to understand. When you arrive at this page, all that you have to do is click this option at the top, Register SIM. It is always going to be available on the menu at the top of the screen. You will be immediately redirected to the registration page where you can start setting up your Leica mobile SIM. You can choose to register it using the full mobile number or the PUK code. Regardless of which option you pick, you simply have to include these two details here, your personal and address details, and then you can review everything to activate or register your SIM card. If you select mobile number, you will have to include the Leica mobile number that you are trying to activate and then the last four digits on your SIM card. As long as you include valid and legitimate information about a number that you are trying to activate, you can click continue. It is going to verify the details and you can proceed to the personal and address details page. Unfortunately, I do not have a SIM card that I'm going to be activating in this video, so I can't show you the full process, but you can clearly see that it's very simple. As long as you are able to provide them the personal and address details, which is something very personal later, you will be able to proceed to the summary details and finish the activation. Make sure that you do it through the Leica Mobile Portuguese website and you will be good to go. You can change the region over here if you notice that you are on the wrong one. There are plenty of options to choose from and everything can be done through this page. You can switch the language from English to Portuguese or vice versa at any time, and the process is super simple to do on your own. If you encounter any problems while trying to do this, feel free to go into the help section and contact their customer support. But for the most part, if you got a Leica mobile SIM, the process to activate it is very straightforward. I hope I was able to help you on how to activate a Leica mobile SIM in Portugal. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.